the government can only do two things here. It can only work out of its own tax package in the budget or emergency interventions, which we could talk about in a minute. Or it can do what it's said will help bring down energy prices in the long run, which is to, focus on decarbonisation, renewable energy and improvements to the grid. But that's so far down the line. That's the tail end of this government. You might be able to really see the benefits of that. The grid is in such a state. It's going to need billions over the years to get anywhere to that point. You hit a crisis like this and suddenly then people are calling for energy credits to come back on the table. Now, interestingly, I wouldn't entirely rule them out this year either.
But not immediately.
No, not immediately. And Jack Chambers scotched this very, very firmly. We were at a doorstep or a press conference, say, in the courtyard of government buildings yesterday. And we were kind of repeatedly asking him and kind of needling him on this and saying, what intervention will you make, or what prices does petrol have to get to before you intervene? Yeah. And then on the other hand, the broader question of, well, if this continues, what will you do in a few months? So on the one hand, they're not going to do anything immediately. But they are coming under sustained pressure. And if in 3-4 weeks' time, if, and it's a big if, we're at a situation like where we were in 2022, where Europe feels this, this kind of continent-wide inflation, then the narrative will grow, I think, that the government will have to do something in the budget. But I don't think it will be until the budget.